What's up, everybody? Um, Daniel here. So, oops. Yeah, alright. Daniel here. So, welcome to another episode of Randnote. Developing Randnote and everything around it. Good morning, good afternoon. If you do not know who I am, my name is Daniel. I am the developer of Randnote, and Randnote is a blockchain application and blockchain exchange for that blockchain, or for that coin, or the note as I would like to call it. So basically I have a note, a cryptocurrency, and that cryptocurrency is controlled by me. It's not really what's the word? It's not decentralized, it's centralized, because I control it, and it's not a peer-to-peer network. It's just it's one server. There's a server, and that server is me. But everything else, it works exactly as a blockchain should. And what I'm trying to do here is just to start up the server. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm starting up the server. CD Randnote Automator. Then I'm gonna start my SQL. I do this every video. I should probably do this just before I start recording. I'm gonna open. I think I'm gonna work on the miner today, and then later, if I have time, I'll work on the uploading. So select all from users. Select all from transactions website. Alright, so I'm just gonna truncate transactions website, and I'm gonna update. Can you guys even see here? Update. What am I updating? I'm updating the users. Set balance to 10,000. So now, if I say select all users, all their balances are now 10,000. And let me see something just real quick. Just want to make sure that I am recording. What do I do? Okay, so I'm just gonna local host 8033 blockchain will give me my blockchain. So this is my, okay, I was installing, what was I installing? VLC's, I forgot the name of it, but it's what's gonna enable me to play .mkv videos on VLC on Ubuntu, because currently I can't do that, and it's frustrating. So just gonna quit this. Oopsie. Hope we got that one correct. the miner. First things first, I'm gonna write a function, I'm gonna make it so that the miner runs, but only so I'm gonna have a counter. I want the miner to run only once and after every 10 or 20 transactions, so I'm gonna say let count number is equals to 0, and count if count is equals to 10, then await worker miner. I'm gonna run that, and then I'm gonna set count equals to 0 again, and we're gonna say count plus plus. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This works, counters back to 0. I hope this works. Okay, so worker miner, what's gonna happen is that we're gonna get a random user, input the global number of users from the index page, then random number. Do I need that? I don't need the balance. So whichever user it is, I'm gonna mine with that user, right? So I'm gonna need the address. So I'm still trying to figure out if I should mine with the user that has the a user that has the most, which has the least nodes in the blockchain. I think I should do that. Get a user. I'll just find the first user I ran into. Oh, I forgot something. I worked on the transferring of nodes, but I never coded it in. I mean, I'm never running it, but I'll run it after this one. Forgot about that. So now, let's see. So okay, get a random user, get that user's address, and then just mine with them. I don't need the price. Okay, so I guess it's sell. Get the keys. I don't want the current price. I want the keys, however. So this is our mining function. Wait, why do we need to pass in the private address? We don't even use this, so we don't use that. We use the public address. Wait, why do we? Oh, mine block. Then we mine the block, and after that, we just return, right? Get users, calls the Axios request. Does this mean it'll start playing my videos now? Because the installation is finished. Nope. Maybe I need to restart my machine, so it's fine. Alright. Okay. I think I'm gonna I'm looking for Monokai. There you go. I think I'm good. I think now I just go on the index page. Jeez, you know what? I'm changing my theme because I don't think it's suitable. Just keep it to the original. I'm good. I don't think I need anything else. I should just run this. Everything else is running, so let's just try this. How will I know if there are mines? I think I'm gonna have to look at the blockchain. Blockchain after 10 seconds. There's a mine that's blocked now. It just got mined right now. So it does work. So we're mining. I mean, our application is running, and there are mines. So there's only one block so far. We'll try and see if there's a second one. Not yet. Try it again. Not yet. There's no second mine. Yeah, no, it's not working. And it does work, but it's not mining. Oh wait, oh, it did mine. That's 2. Why did it need to do so many transactions? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I was supposed to go. Now it took 23 transactions to mine the second block. Oh, there we go. There was a mine just now. So in this one we have 39 transactions. So it's ever slightly increasing. I think it's because of how I wrote the code. It means I didn't write it properly. When the loop gets here, it counts. Count becomes 1, this executes, this executes. If count is 20, which is not, is 10, which is not, it skips this and it reruns. Skips. Now count is 2. Does these. Still in the third mine. Now we reach 4, and now we have 37 transactions. We had 39 in the first one, then we have 37 in the second one. It's the weirdest thing. I don't understand how that's happening. Still at 4. Our application is running, by the way, still running. No issues currently. Oops. Block mined. Alright. Block mine, but there's nothing there. There was no mining. What is the price? Block mine. Okay, there we go. Who are we giving it to? We're mining to random users, right? wonder if the price still... Price is 6,200. Wait. Yeah, price is at 6,000. This is incredible. So I really did fix my wait a minute. Randnote exchange. Yeah, no idea. I wanna take a look at the price. Balances have been running out. Some have 10,000. Oh, the first 3 users. Others have way little. Others have 17,000, 20,000. Others have little balances. Others have a lot. This is exactly how it should go. I'm gonna go to the chart. Price is at 7,000. This is incredible. This is beautiful. This is what we wanted. This is what we wanted. So price is steadily going up and down whenever there are minings. Price dips if there are sells, price dips if there are buys, price goes up. Historically, I think the price is going up. That's just how I set the application, and that's the price. And you can trade this if you want, just by estimating, if you're that type of person. And it's a real working market. It's a real working market, legitimately. So I'll just explain everything. So what I essentially created is I created a blockchain. I created a blockchain, and that blockchain I also created a website, which is a cryptocurrency exchange platform, just like how it works exactly how Coinbase works or Binance. So and also this is all just hypothetical, like a hypothetical blockchain. It doesn't really work. It's just to demonstrate, for demonstration purposes. So it's a blockchain, there's an exchange, and that's just it. And then now I created another application, which is an Automator, which basically simulates like real people actually transacting. And this is the blockchain, all the transactions that are coming through, and before they are mined, here's the list of the pending transactions before they are mined. And this is just the back end of the website. It's just I'm just logging out everything, and then this is the actual Automator. So when a transaction is made, it'll log out here, and it's a buy order, this is a sell order, etc, etc. It'll show you the amount and the amount of nodes that you get, and nodes are the actual cryptocurrency. I call them nodes because it's Randnote. And yeah, so every once in a while, after a few transactions, the block gets mined. So there's also, in the automation application, I have basically 4 things: a buying mechanism, a selling mechanism, a mining mechanism, and a sending nodes to another user mechanism. So what these 4 things basically do is that they continuously run over and over and over again, and they simulate a real blockchain where users are constantly making transactions, selling, buying, selling, sending nodes to one another, and mining as well. So that's just basically what's going on, and this is the actual price of the blockchain. It's going up and down. Historically, it's moving upwards. It's trending upwards. So yeah, so on this website, the market cap, the average nodes per transactions in 24 hours, these things, I haven't done anything to them. In fact, I think I'm going to remove them, except the market cap maybe, and just place the real market cap there. These ones I'm too lazy to code in. I've been working on this application for over a year, so there's no way I'm just giving myself more work. The only thing I'm going to do on the front end is fix my hydration issue, and make this chart bigger, and yeah, I mean, create a calculation for the market cap in the transactions page, everything is good except for, let me just refresh here. Okay, this is another user. Oh, also the logout. I need to create a logout function. If I log in with another user's details instead, so let's just get a random user, we'll just use this guy that has a lot of money. We'll copy his email address and go to localhost 3000. I want to try and log in and see what we get. There's also something I need to show you guys that is that I need to fix, and everyone's password is password. This application is not prone. It's not. Sorry, what am I saying? It's not. It cannot go against simple SQL injection attacks. If you want to attack this website, you probably will, and you definitely will be successful. I mean, in fact, the password for the backend is somewhere in my videos. If you go through that, you'll have direct access to the database. I mean, that's if you can get into my VPS, of course. But anyway, it works. This user has, I just logged in with this user, Martini, and it seems to work. This is their balance. Currently, this is their notes balance. As you can see, he made a bunch of buy and sell orders. He's been buying and selling, trading. I mean, for someone who started off with 10,000, he's doing pretty well. But he's not really trading because, I mean, he's okay. Actually, he is trading. Because yeah, he's trading. So that's just a random user that's basically trading, and all their transactions are just gonna go all the way down until it reaches infinity. I don't know what's gonna happen if we actually go all the way down, because this application is just gonna keep on running and running and running over days and days and days. So it'll be interesting to see what actually happens in the front end, how JavaScript reacts to these large numbers, or if I'm even gonna have oh yes, I forgot also that these nodes get incredibly long, that it creates some sort of a problem in the back end. So these numbers are unable to get added into the back end. So I needed a way to round these numbers off. So that's something that I created. It's an issue. Let's see, GitHub Randnote. It's an issue that I need to solve. And that's basically it, man. I can actually start uploading this thing to the website, to its domain name, because it is working quite well. I'm just gonna try and select all from users, select all from transaction website. The price is at 13,000. So let's try and oops, I'm gonna quit that. I think the application is getting too big. Another thing that I might probably need to do is reduce the number of as you can see on the chart, I'm basically displaying the entire length of the blockchain, from when the user opens the website. You'll see the price, the first price, and that first price will forever be there until basically forever. And so one other thing that I need to do is constantly cut, maybe after getting to 100 transactions, or no, 100 is a lot, but okay, yeah, it's just an example, maybe 50, so that I only at all times display no more than 50 points on this chart, because I think that's what makes making Firefox freeze, but I'm not sure, but that's probably the case. I also need to work on this logout button. I need to remove these things. Footer must be stuck to the floor, and then that's it. The application works. The only thing I still need to do is work on users sending notes to one another. That's it. Other than that, it works. So yeah, guys, this was just a quick demonstration of my my application. This is the front end of the application. Oh, we still have some hydration issues. I'm gonna fix that as well. And this was just for demonstration purposes. Yeah, I mean, everything that the users are doing in the back end, you can also do in the front end. But like add a card, add your card, refresh the website, you see your card has been added. Then you can use your card to deposit money. Let's just say I'm gonna deposit, is it $1 million or 100,000? Doesn't matter. So if I go to transactions, my balance will be updated. And oh, this user is my user, and I didn't make any transactions. And by the way, guys, if you look at the blockchain, select all from users, you realize that there are 3 users, or 2 actually, that okay, actually 3. And this third one is the one that I just used now. It's this profile that I just deposited, I think 100,000. So now it becomes, their balance becomes 110,000. So these 3 users are not being affected. So when I do my, automation, I only start from the 4th user going all the way down to yeah, to the 51st user. Yeah, that's it. So these ones don't get touched. They're basically like administrators. So it's just the ones that I use to test things out with. But had I deposited in whoever we logged in with in the other tab, then his balance would have been updated. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm just gonna look at the chart for a little while, and then I'm gonna end the video. But for you guys, I'm just gonna end it right here. Peace.